The Cervus anti-drone system, developed by the Spanish defense industry, represents a significant leap in counter-drone technology, offering a sophisticated blend of electronic warfare and kinetic capabilities. Initially designed by the 31st Electronic Warfare Regiment, Surus is now deployed with the Spanish Army's Anti-Aircraft Artillery Command and has seen operational use in several NATO missions, including its current deployment in Slovakia under the command of the Parachute Brigade. This system, built to detect, track, and neutralize aerial threats, is a crucial asset in the modern battlefield, especially as drones become a ubiquitous tool in both military and civilian domains. The Cervus system has evolved considerably since its inception, with the latest iteration, Cervus III, representing the most advanced version to date. Entered service in mid-2023, Cervus III integrates state-of-the-art sensor technology and artificial intelligence to provide comprehensive protection for critical installations, both civilian and military. Its core function is safeguarding airspace from unauthorized drones, but it also offers the capability to monitor ground movements, such as unmanned ground vehicles, expanding its utility in modern defense scenarios. One of the major upgrades in the Cervus III is the integration of command and control system that merges data from multiple sensors, radars, electro-optical cameras, radio frequency antennas, and jammers into a single, user-friendly interface. This centralization allows operators to make quick, informed decisions in real time, simplifying the process of threat detection and neutralization. The system's artificial intelligence is capable of autonomously identifying and tracking drones, geolocating them with precision thanks to a combination of radar and electro-optical data. Cervus III's architecture is built around collaboration with several Spanish defense companies. One of the system's standout features is its ability to autonomously detect drones using artificial vision algorithms. The Hotel's electro-optical module, developed in collaboration with Escribano, has a range of up to 20 kilometers, while the radar can detect targets up to 10 kilometers away. This advanced sensor suite ensures that the Cervus system can monitor airspace in real time and neutralize threats before they become a danger. In addition to its sophisticated detection capabilities, the Cervus system includes a Guardian 2.0 remote control turret equipped with a 12.7mm machine gun, which allows for direct, lethal engagement with drones. While Cervus' primary method of neutralization is jamming, this kinetic option provides an additional layer of security, especially against larger or more dangerous drones. The system is also designed to work with intelligent jamming technology, using a unidirectional antenna to create a protection bubble around the vehicle, effectively countering multiple drones simultaneously. Another notable feature is a captive drone that can be deployed up to 100 meters above the system, enhancing its field of view and providing an extended surveillance range without the need for radio frequencies, making it less vulnerable to electronic interference. The Cervus anti-drone system has seen increasing operational use since its introduction. Its deployment in Slovakia as part of the NATO mission is just the latest in a series of international deployments. Previous iterations of Cervus have been fielded in missions in Latvia and Mali, where they have been used to protect critical infrastructure and military bases from drone threats. These deployments have provided valuable operational data leading to improvements and refinements in the system's capabilities. Images from the NATO mission in Slovakia suggest that the Spanish army is using a version of Cervus without the Guardian 2.0 turret. However, the system's core capabilities, detection, tracking, and neutralization through jamming, remain fully operational. The absence of the hard kill turret in some deployments could indicate mission-specific adaptations, reflecting the flexible nature of the Cervus platform. The Cervus system has proven to be highly adaptable, whether deployed in urban environments or vast open terrains. In Mali, the system was used to protect bases from insurgent drone attacks, while in Latvia, it was tasked with monitoring airspace in close proximity to Russia, where drone activity is frequent.